Please open your Photoshop. Today I want to teach you how to use the pen tool. Pen tool is one of the most important tools in Photoshop that can do so many things. So today I want to teach you a few of the things that you can do with the pen tool. So first we are going to remove the background of an image using the pen tool. So I have dragged and dropped this image on my Photoshop. You can do the same. You can get any image and then you drop it on Photoshop. Then you pick the pen tool. Make sure you change from shape to path. So be path. So we are going to trace this image. You just draw lines around the image. I am not going to do a perfect work because I want to make this quick. But if you're doing this for a client, of course you want to take some more time and do it perfectly. So you just make sure you trace the image all around. I am using this man's image because he is scoring a lot of goals. Holland. We call him Haaland. When you click on the space bar, it will give you the option to use the hand tool so that you can move the image around. This is just one of the important uses of the pen tool. One of the most used tools in Photoshop, if not the most used. I think it was also the first tool that I learned because I learned Photoshop because of the desire to work with photos. And for you to work with photos, you need to understand the pen tool. And I do graphics, so every time I am cutting images off their backgrounds before the arrival of these AI tools. There's a video that I made about the quickest way to remove the background of an image using AI tool. You can check it in the playlist here, tech videos. Ever since I learned how to do that, these days I don't stress myself cutting the background manually like this, because using the AI tool, you literally just drop the image and with the one click the background is gone. So I feel AI has made work much easier for us, the graphics designers. Basically, you just have to do this manually. Okay, there's a part I want to show to you. For example, if you mistakenly cut off guard, you just click on Ctrl Z to get back, Then if you want to make a corner and you want to continue from this junction, you click on Alt, and then you click on this junction mark. It will chop off the excess line, and then you can continue from here. So this is one of the tricks. Just click at the junction, or the excess point will be chopped. But you make sure you hold on Alt if you want to delete that excess part. Once you have finished this, you right click inside the image, then you click on make selection. Then here the feather radius I normally use 2 because it makes the edge smooth. So you just can use 2. Then you click OK. You check this anti-aliased and the new selection, you check them, and then click OK. Then you click on Ctrl J to create a copy. Click on Ctrl, then J to create a copy, and our copy is here. If you turn off the background layer, you realize our background is gone. However, there's a little part that is remaining on the left hand. I don't know if it is the right hand or left hand. So you just do the same. You pick a pen tool, ensure that it's on a path selection. Then you go around this, and you make sure you are on the active layer. The active layer is that layer which is not turned off. If you are doing this on the background layer, it will not work. So it has to be the active layer or the front layer or the top layer. So once you are done here, you just click inside, right click inside here and make selection. You make selection, and then the same procedures. Okay, you can just delete. You just click on delete and then Ctrl D to deselect these dotted lines. Ctrl D, then that is it. So you can see this image is without a background now. Here you can now add another background. I've created a new layer, and then I'm just going to fill it with a solid color. So this is how you can remove the background of an image using the pen tool, one of the most important tools in Photoshop. I hope you liked this video, and if this video was important for you, please make sure you subscribe and give us a share. Thank you.